Good morning, all of you. Let us continue with past adjustments. Let us discuss question number 67. Now, in question number 67, Mohan, Vijay, and Anil are partners, and their capitals are 30,000, 25,000, and 20,000 respectively. And in arriving at these amount, the profit for the year 2020, 31st March, 24,000 has been credited to partners in their profit sharing ratio. So the profit available is 24,000. The drawings given are 5,000 Mohan, 4,000 for Vijay, and 3,000 for Anil. Now there are some omissions. Interest on capital at the rate of 10% has been omitted, and interest on drawing as given Mohan 250, Vijay 200, and Anil 150 has been omitted. Now in these cases, what we will do, as you can see the adjustments, closing capital is given. So in this question, we have to first arrive at opening capital because we cannot calculate interest on drawing on closing capital. So we have to add the drawings given in the question and then deduct the profits that has been distributed by mistake or by wrong ratio. So we add drawings of 5,000, 4,000 and 3,000 and then deduct the profits. Since the profit sharing ratio not given, it is equal, so equally it will be divided, and the opening capitals are 27,000, 21,000 and 15,000 for the three partners. Now see the adjustment table. Now since the profits had been wrongly credited to the partners, now the same will be debited. So 24,000 credited by mistake, 8,000 each now will be debited. Then interest on capital, as in the question given, it is omitted. So now interest on capital will be calculated on the opening capital, that is 21,000, 21,000 and 27,000 and 15,000. On this amount we have to calculate interest on capital at the rate of 10%. So 27,000, 10% is 2,700, on 21,000 is 2,100, and on 15,000 is 1,500. So why I have deducted this amount? Because now on the divisible profit, what will be the effect of interest on capital? On divisible profit, the interest on capital will reduce the divisible profit, so it is deducted. Similarly, interest on drawing, which was omitted, now will be debited to the partners. So these amounts are debited to the partners. Since interest on drawing increases the divisible profit, so the amount has been added. Now what is the correct divisible profit? Because 24,000 was incorrect divisible profit because appropriations has been omitted. So we come to this divisible profit by deducting 6,300 and adding 1,600 to the amount 24,000. So 24,000 minus 6,300 plus 600, the divisible profit 18,300, and this will be divided equally among the partners. Since profit sharing ratio is not given, so now the correct divisible profit is 6,100 each. So after these adjustments, what is the adjustment amount for each partner? We get it is 550 credit for Mohan and 550 debit for Anil. For Vijay there is no difference because the total of debit and credit, you will find it is the same. So the adjustment entry would be Anil's capital account debited to Mohan's capital account rupees 550. So this is about question number 67. Next, come to question number 70. So pause the video and read question number 70 and then we will start. Now in question number 70, what is given? There are two partners, Manu and Srishti, Again, in this question also, closing capital is given 3 lakh and 1 lakh, and profit is distributed, amount of 50,000 distributed in the ratio 3:2. So the opening capital is 2,70,000 and 80,000 respectively. Now in this question you will observe that drawings is given on the asset side. So remember, in case of final accounts class 11, when the amounts are given inside the balance sheet, it is assumed inside the balance sheet or inside the trial balance, we assume that they are adjusted. So since they are not given outside in additional information, the drawings will not be added to arrive at opening capital. So in this question we are not adding the drawings. So without adding we get 2,70,000 and 80,000 as opening capital. So now see the adjustment table. The profits wrongly credited to the partners 3:2, that is 50,000 now will be debited because it was wrong distribution. Interest on capital calculated on 2,70,000 and 80,000 at the rate of 5% now will be 30,500 and 4,000. Again 17,500 is deducted because it will reduce the divisible profit. Interest on drawing omitted, now it will be debited. What is the rate of interest on drawing? So it is given in the question 6% per annum on drawings. So already in the question it is given, so that we have to calculate interest on drawing on an average period of 6 months. So it is 6% into 6/12. So what is the amount of drawings given? 40,000 for Manu and 20,000 for Srishti. So on 40,000 at the rate of 6% and then into 6/12. So half of it will be 1,200, and on 20,000 the amount will be 600. So you can do the calculations also, and you will find that interest on drawing total comes to 1,800. It is added because interest on drawing is income for the firm. It will increase the divisible profit. So after these adjustment, 50,000 minus 17,500 plus 1,800, we get the divisible profit, or correct divisible profit is 34,300. So this will be distributed among the partners in the profit sharing ratio. What is the profit sharing ratio? It is 3:2. So in 3:2 we will distribute or credit the amount to the partners, and after that we will get the adjustment amount. That is, for Manu 30,000 debit, 13,500 credit, 1,200 debit and 20,580 credit. So adding the debits and adding the credits separately and then adjusting what is the ultimate amount, we find that total of credit is more by 2,880, and in case of history total of debit is more by 2,880. So these amount will be adjusted in the adjustment entry. So the adjustment entry would be Srishti's capital account debited to Manu's capital account 2,880. So next we will discuss one more question, which is question number 73. Question number 73, very important because it was asked in 2019 board examinations. So please read the question properly and then we will go through it. In question number 73, again closing capitals are given. Three partners are there, Abhir, Bobby and Vineet, and closing capitals are given 8 lakh rupees, 6 lakh rupees and 4 lakh rupees. And in this question profit are distributed 60,000, 60,000 and 30,000 to the three partners. So total capital, subsequently it was discovered that interest on capital and interest on drawing has been omitted. Net profit given in the question was 1,50,000. So for Bobby it will be 60,000. Abhir, Bobby and Vineet. 60,000 plus 60,000 plus 30,000 comes to 1,50,000. This amount was distributed. So to arrive at opening capital, we have to deduct divisible profit or whatever profit it was divided. Then drawings, as in case of final accounts, we used to add drawings to arrive at opening capital. We will add the drawings. Remember, in the question it is given Abhir's drawing is 20,000 per month at end of every month. So 20,000 into 12 comes to 2,40,000. So for the year it is 2,40,000 drawings which will be added. And then Bobby draws 50,000 in beginning of every half year. That means twice in a year. There are two half years in 1 year. So Bobby's total drawing is 1 lakh. Added, we will get opening capital 6,40,000. For Vineet, the drawings are done on 31st of October. Once 1 lakh rupees. So 1 lakh rupees will be added and we get opening capital like this. So now come to adjustment table and let us see. Profits wrongly credited, now debited. So whatever amount was wrongly credited without any adjustments now will be debited. So 1,50,000. Interest on capital, it was omitted, now it will be credited, but these calculations have been arrived at after some adjustment, because in this question you will observe that appropriation, that is interest on capital, is more than whatever available for appropriations, that is profit and interest on drawing. So first you see the working notes. In working notes you will observe that interest on drawing has been calculated for Abhir 2,40,000 into 6% into 5.5 by 12, or average period is 5.5 months. So if you remember the formula, average period is equal to months remaining after first withdrawal plus months remaining after last withdrawal divided by 2. So since the drawings are made on last day of every month, the average period comes to 5.5 months. So the interest on drawing is 6,600. For Bobby, the first drawing is on first day of first half year. So 12 months are remaining, plus first day of second half year, that means 6 months are remaining. 12 plus 6 comes to 18. 18 by 2 comes to 9. So average period is 9 months. So it will be calculated for 9 months. So interest on drawing on 1 lakh rupees for 9 months comes to 4,500. For Vineet, only 5 months are remaining after withdrawal. Withdrawal is on 31st October. So for 5 months the interest on drawing comes to 2,500. So adding the interest on drawing, we will get 13,600, that is 6,600 plus 4,500 plus 2,500, 13,600 as total interest on drawing. Adding to the profit, that is 1,50,000, we will get 1,50,000 plus 66,000, 13,600, which is 1,63,600. But when we calculate the interest on capital, we find that interest on capital for the three partners respectively are 98,000, 64,000 and 47,000. Total interest on capital comes to 2,09,000. Since total interest on capital is more than the available divisible profit, which is 1,63,600, so as per rule we have to divide 1,63,600 in the ratio of appropriations. So what is the ratio? 98 is to 64 is to 47. So in this ratio, this amount 1,63,600 will be divided among the partners. So in the adjustment table you will find that this amount has been divided among the partners, which comes to 76,712 for Abhir, 50,098 for Bobby and 36,790 for Vineet. So this amount is complete. So we don't have any divisible profit in this question. So after adjustment we find that these are the adjustment amount. So 10,112 credit for Abhir, 14,402 debit for Bobby, and 4,290 credit for Vineet. So so in the adjustment entry, Bobby's capital account will be debited 14,402, to Abhir's capital account 10,112, to Vineet's capital account 4,290. So this is about question number 73. Please go through the question or solution again, read the question properly and see the solution and try to understand if you don't understand once. Next, come to question number 75. In question number 75, what do we find? There are three partners ABC having amount to or capital of 90,000, 3,30,000 and 6,60,000. Now profit of 1,80,000 have been distributed among the partners, and then we have observed that it is a mistake that interest on capital which was provided at 10%, it was wrong. The correct interest on capital is 12%, and then profit sharing ratio is silent. That means in the question there is nothing about profit sharing ratio, so obviously it should be equal. So it has not been followed in the question, that is profit had been distributed in the ratio 4:1:1, which is wrong. So we have to do those corrections, but first we have to calculate the opening capital. So to arrive at opening capital, what we have to do, we have to again deduct the profits whatever have been provided for. Then so since 1,80,000 was divided among the partners as given in the question, so we will deduct 1,80,000 in the ratio 4:1:1. Drawings as given in the question was 3,60,000 for each partner. Drawings will be added, and then we arrive at opening capital 3,30,000, 6,60,000 and 9,90,000 for the three partners. Now this is not opening capital, but opening capital plus 10% interest, because 10% interest has also been provided. So to arrive at opening capital, we have to assume this amount as 110%. 100% would be the capital, adding 10%, this amount comes to 110%. So if this amount is 110, what would be the amount of 100%? We have to divide this by 11 and multiply this by 10. So we will get 3 lakh as opening capital, and then 6 lakh for B and 9 lakh for C. So like this we will get the opening capitals. Now we will distribute the profits and do the adjustments correctly. Opening capital as we have calculated is 3 lakh, 6 lakh and 9 lakh. Then interest on capital at correct rate of 12%. So 12% of 3 lakh comes to 36,000. Similarly 12% for B will be 72,000 on 6 lakh rupees, and for C on 9 lakh rupees it will be 1,08,000. So total interest on capital comes to 2,16,000. Drawings, there are no mistakes, so drawings will be deducted to arrive at closing capital. See, in this question we are arriving at closing capital from the opening capital. Now in this adjustment table, that is why we are deducting the drawings and we are adding the divisible profit. Now what is the divisible profit? As given in question, the divisible profit was 1,80,000, or profit which was divided was 1,80,000, but it will be 1,44,000 because the profit was 1,80,000 because interest on capital was distributed in a wrong ratio or percentage, which was 10%. Now when we calculate the correct interest on capital, we get it is 2,16,000. Earlier it was different. At the rate of 10%, the interest on capital was a different amount. So we will find out the difference. Then we find that the actual difference amount 2,16,000 minus 36,000, which was extra interest on capital calculated, that will now be deducted. So the divisible profit is 1,44,000. Since we know that interest on capital reduces the divisible profit, so increase in interest on capital from 10% to 12% will reduce the divisible profit from 1,80,000 to 1,44,000. So here the wrong interest on capital is 30,000, 60,000 and 90,000. If you add the 3, you will get 1,80,000. The difference between 1,80,000 and 2,16,000 is 36,000. So deducting 36,000 from 1,80,000, we get divisible profit 1,44,000 divided equally. Since the question is silent on profit sharing ratio, it will now be divided equally, and after dividing equally we get correct capital. So these are the correct capital amounts. So for A, correct capital should be 24,000, whereas the capital given in the question was 90,000. So what is the difference? His capital should reduce by 66,000. So now he will be deducted, since his capital has to be reduced by 66,000. For B, capital given in the question is 3,30,000, but it will now increase and become 3,60,000. So B will be credited 30,000. Similarly, for C, the capital increases from 6,60,000 to 6,96,000. So 66,000 will be credited. So like this, we will pass the adjustment entry. So I have solved up to question number 77, leaving some question, 4 or 5 questions. Please try those questions and put the queries if you have any problem. Thank you.